In this ManyChat template tour, I'm going to show you a messenger bot that will collect their birth month and day so that when it's their special day of the year, you can send them either a free gift or a promo code. To get this template, all you got to do is go to bit.ly/mctemplates. That's bit.ly/mctemplates, and you can browse all the different templates that we offer. Or to find this exact one, you'll want to find the one called Birthday Wish. Next, if you have not yet gotten our free ManyChat cheat sheet and video walkthrough covering the 11 crucial features that your ManyChat messenger bot must have, then you can get that by going to bit.ly/mccheatsheet. That's bit.ly/mccheatsheet. We'll send it over to you in a Facebook message, so you got to make sure that you're signed in, as well as typing in the word learn in that message window is going to guarantee that you receive access to the free PDF download and the video walkthrough covering the 11 crucial features that your ManyChat messenger bot must have. So now let's go ahead and jump into this ManyChat template tour showing you exactly how this bot works. Okay, so we are here in the ManyChat platform under the Growth Tools section. Now with this template, you're going to get the Facebook Ads JSON growth tool and the actual Messenger ref URL growth tool. So the first message they get is, hey there, would you like to tell me when your birthday is so I can send you something special to celebrate? Then they're going to click on, sure, this button right here, and it's going to send them this message right here. So it's going to be this little GIF, this kid opening a birthday gift. And then it's going to say, perfect, when is your birthday? Now this is going to have them select their birth month and their birth day so that on that day you can send them the free gift or the promo, whatever you'd like to do. If they decide not to go ahead and give you their birthday, then there's going to be a little button that they can click that says never mind. And then it's going to save it in the custom field called subscriber birthday. Now after they put in that information, they're going to receive this message right here. Now everything above the dotted line is us just giving you insight into what you should look to accomplish with this message. So it's going to say, so you'll want to delete everything above this dotted line. So the message is going to say, okay, thanks. We'll give you a free gift on that day of your birthday. Have a great day. And that's pretty much it. It's a pretty basic template. It just collects their birthday information, and then on that birthday, you'll actually be able to follow up with them and send them a free gift. If you want to get this template, all you got to do is go to bit.ly/mctemplates. That's bit.ly/mctemplates. This one is called Birthday Wish. You can browse through all the other ones that we offer though. Again, if you have not yet gotten our free ManyChat cheat sheet and video walkthrough, head over to bit.ly/mccheatsheet. That's bit.ly/mccheatsheet, and we'll send it over to you in a Facebook message. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.